Do you want to convert PST contact file to CSV contact file? If yes, download BitRecover PST Converter Wizard. It is a powerful and reliable solution to convert multiple PST files to CSV straightforward LT. Read some of the instructions mentioned in the software window regarding convert PST to CSV contacts files. After that, click on the Next button. Now, there are two ways to upload Outlook PST files. If you have Outlook application running on the machine, select the Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data. Here, you can directly upload the PST file and folder. Click on the Select File button and choose the PST file from the saved location and then click on the Open button. After that, click on the Next tab. Now, you will see the number of files and folders in the software panel. Here, you choose the required PST files for the conversion process. After that, click on the Next tab. Go to Saving option list and choose CSV option from the list. Select checkbox if you don't want system folder hierarchy. Click on folder-like icon, and choose the destination path of converted files. After that, click on the Next tab. When the data is completely converted, a complete conversion message appears. Click on the OK tab. The trial edition of the toolkit Convert and Store First 25 Contacts. Saving log file provide the full conversion details. Here you can see the converted PST to CSV contact file.